What's up guys, welcome back to the channel. If you've seen the thumbnail already, you'll know we've bagged ourselves another cheap car to flip. First of all though, I need to do a quick touch-up job on a bumper that you might have already seen on the channel. Let's have a quick look. Right guys, a lot of you subscribers and viewers who have been watching the channel for a while will remember this. This is the front bumper off of the Hyundai i30 that we done the makeover on. So the owner had a little bit of a bump on his driveway and just caught the step with the front bumper, and he caused a bit of damage here and a bit of damage on this side. So I've already got it repaired. I've got the shape back, it's in primer. I just need to flatten and polish it. We'll get some base coat on it, lacquer it up, leave it to dry, and we'll have a look at the new car while we wait. Alright guys, you've just seen for that wee short time lapse there that I've got all the prep work done. I've just scuffed the whole bumper ready for paint. I've got some sealer primer on here. The repairs are all good. I'm pretty sure it's going to end up in the wall again in another couple of months. So next up we're going to go and paint. So I'll get the first coat of base coat on. While that's drying, I'll go and show you the new car. Right guys, time was getting on yesterday, so I just cracked on. I got it done. It's all lacquered, it's ready just to put the trims back on. George has already been at the door chasing me because his wife wants to go shopping. So I'll quickly put the trims back on this, we'll throw the bumper back on the car, and then we'll have a look at the Ford Focus. Right guys, here she is. 2009 Ford Focus. It's a 1.6 Eco Z-Tech diesel. It's seen better days. There's a wee bit of a dent in this door, but I think in all honesty, it's no broke the paint, so I might be able to push that out a little bit. Back bumpers had a wee whack here, so I think we'll put the heat gun on that and push it back down. Missing wheel trim. Doing that side isn't actually too bad. It's had a little bit of a whack here. I've already pushed most of it out, but what it done was, when it kind of hit here, it's pushed everything back a little bit, so the door gap's a bit tight. I need to fix that. Bumper's popped a little bit, we'll fix that. But the biggest problem is the MOT failure. So it failed on rear axle bushes and it failed on emissions because the injectors are chuffing. So the seals where they go into the cylinder head have failed, and the combustion mixture is coming up past the injector. I'll pop the bonnet open and I'll let you have a look. So there it is, guys, with the engine off, engine cover off and the bonnet open. You can see where it's been spraying up past the injectors. So it also runs with a bit of a misfire because of that. So this is the most major problem with the car. And this is what scared the previous owner off of fixing it. And it turns out that this is a mega cheap repair. It just takes a bit of time. So we'll get into that on the next video. Let's finish having a wee look at the car. So interior wise, it's all there. It's not the worst I've seen. Needs a bit of a clean. It's got 156,000 miles on the clock. You can see there. Let's start it up and I'll show you the injectors. The other thing it failed on was the rear axle bushes, but again I think they're about £20 for the set and about an hour to do it, so not too bad. There we go. You can hear that injector straight away. It looks and sounds a lot worse than what it actually is. And like I say, the garage would charge quite a bit of money to fix that, whereas I think I'll go into it in the next video, but I think it was about a tenner for the whole injector seal kit, and I actually bought a special tool for reseating them for £20 off of Amazon. So yeah, that's it, guys. Join us next time when I'll be showing you exactly how to fix this, and I don't actually know if I've mentioned it or not, but we picked this car up for £250. So I think it's an absolute bargain for that, and I'm pretty sure there'll be plenty of profit left in it at the end of it once we've got this done. So join us on the next video, guys. We'll take care of this mainly, and we might even get the axle bushes done as well. Thanks again for watching, and we'll see you soon.